When I was still living in San Francisco, my ride was a 94 Honda Del Sol SI in lime green. Let's take a quick look. The Honda two-seaters of the 90s were fun cars. I started with a CRX, enjoyed that one so much I actually had two at one time. Then eventually I transitioned to a 94 Honda Del Sol SI. As soon as I got that car, I added some light mods to it. I added some 17-inch Racing Hart wheels, and I went from there. Though this car is not big, it doesn't have the powerful VTEC motors that we have now. Back then, it was actually fun, practical, and reliable. And as a student living in San Francisco, where I didn't really have to drive so fast, it was more than enough to be both flashy and enjoyable for daily driving.
Okay, we're at the Ceremony Mall. This is Daly City, and there's Peter. And there's Del Sol. His Pride and Joy. And we all know how that goes.
Okay, your turn. And so the car would be sitting around for long periods of time. Once in a while, we would take the car out, take it to the mall, and just take it for a drive, just to make sure everything still runs smoothly.
What?
That was kind of nice.
Why is that?
Smooth.
Hmm?
It's smooth. I haven't driven this in like so long.
Mm-hmm.
But it's so easy to drive
Why?
without all the bumps.
Okay, just stay there.
Alright.
One look.
What's that?
Usually this car would be in storage because having a modified car in San Francisco is not really that great. But eventually we did find a place with a carport, and this was the process of covering it up and making sure that it's protected. So there you have it, a trip down memory lane with my Honda Del Sol SI. This was not a very common vehicle, even in those days, because it was a two-seater, because it was lime green, And of course, because I added some modifications to it just to give it that personal touch. Till next time, drive safe and keep on rolling.